Good morning, grade 4 pupils.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, teacher.
Glad to hear that you are all fine. By the way, I will call your name for attendance and you will say present if your name is called. So is that clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Raya? Present, teacher. Angel?
Present, teacher.
Very good, because you are all present. And also, class, I have here our classroom rules that we need to follow inside our classroom. Everybody read?
Sit properly.
How to sit properly. Very good. The second,
Be quiet. Listen carefully. Raise your hand before speaking.
okay, very good. So class, I have a question. Have you ever listened or heard someone singing alone?
Yes, teacher.
How about a two-person singing together?
Yes, teacher.
How about a three-person singing together, class?
Yes, teacher.
So what have you observed between one person or more than one person singing together? Okay, Rugaya. Try to observe if naay magkanta ka isang katao or more than daghan ng mga
Kanang
tao.
ko, ang isa, teacher. Opo, kanang lima.
Galing yung
Yes,
DS.
yes, lima kay. Wala, teacher. Ang isa, teacher. Oh, kanang, teacher. Mura.
Ano ni Rugaya? If ang isa na katao magkanta is kanang clear o kanang nipis lang ang tingog. While if the time is more louder and mas pindot siya paminawon. So class, now we will have activity. I will show you a picture. And you will guess either is it solo, trio, duet, and ensembles. So how about this picture class? So observe carefully class.
Teacher, solo.
Solo. Asa na din yung solo?
First picture, teacher.
Isa na trio, isa ni.
Sipuan, teacher.
Dili. Ano na?
Si
Ben! Very good. How about the ikatla?
Si Sarah, teacher. David.
Ganun, dumit na rin siya.
Teacher.
Okay, very good. How about the third picture?
Ryan, teacher.
Okay, this is si Sakibig teacher. Si Kai. Si Ray o si Colette. How about this one?
Principal, teacher.
Okay, very good. So now class, our topic for today is all about, everybody read,
Identifying vocal and instrumental music. Solo, duet, trio, and cymbals.
and also we have here the learning objectives that we need to attend at the end of our lesson. Everybody read.
Distinguish whether it is vocal or instrumental and classify it as solo, duet, trio, and cymbals. Perform the solo, duet, trio, and cymbals music performances and demonstrate interest and appreciation for different music performances.
So now class, we'll have activity. So this activity called Listen, Think, and Discover. But before that, we will read first the directions. Everybody read.
Listen carefully to the music and identify the difference between vocal and instrumental music through guided listening.
So let's listen first the first video.
Wish 175.
You know who she is last period? She is Clarice Guzman. Bisa dikasih kata si Kai o si Kai o si Kai. Okay, the third video. And the last one.
有请第一代潘朱迪口范蠡。有请第一代潘朱迪口。
Are you done observing class?
Yes, teacher.
So based on the video that I presented, what have you observed? Okay, Angel?
Teacher, sa first teacher kay ang tingog sa babae teacher, sa lumanda teacher kay mas klaro siya teacher. Sa dalawa teacher kay ano siya yung mga music and voice. Sa ikatlo teacher kay simple siya sa ikatlo teacher kay wala na siya yung natipaw. Kasi matulog siya teacher. Sa last teacher kay ganun sila teacher, mas kusog kami na teacher.
Okay, very good. So as you observe, there are different numbers of senior. So, ang ginagawa class ay mas clear pag siya lang isa and then mag-complement siya pag daghan sila. So our topic for today class, let's talk about first, what is a vocal and instrumental music? So do you have any idea? So vocal music is a music that is performed using the human voice. It may include singing with or without musical instrument. Examples are songs, choir music, and opera. While the instrumental music is a music performed by using musical instrument only, without singing or spoken word. Examples are piano, guitar, solos, and orchestra music. So sa kalayan nila, ang vocal is Angel.
Teacher, ang vocal music teacher ay perform using the human voice teacher.
Okay.
Kaya ang instrumental music teacher, kaya mga instrument na siya gigamit teacher like piano,
Okay, very good. Let's give Angel the 2 claps. So now let's talk about the different types of singers and instruments. First, we have solos. So everybody read.
the way of singing or playing an instrument alone.
So are you familiar with this picture, class?
Yes, teacher.
Ano siya? Sabi mo ang Sarah today. Okay, let me sing solo class. It's a one person singing or one person playing instrumental. One person playing music or one person playing instrument. Then, ang ikatwa, everybody read.
This is the way of singing or playing an instrument by two people.
So, when you say do in class, it's about two people singing or playing instrument together. Just like the given sample. So,
Mas kusog lagi yung teacher.
Okay, very good. So, kanina nila class, ang solo by only one person playing or singing a music. Like ang duet, like para siya makaro by ang trio is tulo, but it's involved is more than three or group of, like for example, a group of band. So now class, we will have a group activity. So everybody read first direction.
Each group will select a song and perform based on given tasks, either solo, duet, trio, and musical.
Okay, very good. So as I observe, they perform well. So for the group 1, I will give them a 5 points for the pitch and rhythm. For the voice and projection, 5. And the group 4, 5. And the expression and confidence, 5. So everybody count. 5 activity. Okay, they got them. They also got group 2. They performed well. So they also got 20 points. So do you have any questions, class?
Unanswered.
If not, teacher will ask. Display versus single. Okay, Rogaya, you are the one to answer the question. Are you ready? Are you ready first? The first question.
Human voice example is physical instrument. Teacher, sa teacher ka na sa human voice teacher ka na. Di ada na o na kada tono teacher when she or she sing teacher then sa musical instrument teacher ka na madungo ka naanay mga music na mo
Okay, very good. For the second question, Angel. Read first the question.
If you had to pick one group size like solo, duet, trio, and singles, which would you choose and why it is best fit? Teacher, I choose solo teacher.
Ano nga?
Para mas makita or mas maluod bilang kung sa ang team teacher wala sa good teacher.
Okay, very good. For the last question, everybody read.
Why is it important to know the difference between vocal and instrumental
Okay,
music?
Rogaya. Angel.
Why it is important teacher to know the difference between vocal and instrumental music teacher para ma-identify nato teacher kung unsa ang or kung unsa dito ang sa vocal teacher kung unsa sa lang sa instrumental music.
Okay, very good. So it's very important to identify that because it helps us to enjoy or to understand the song better and also to recognize the different types of singers and instrumentalists. So now we'll have individual activity. Everybody read first direction.
Read each sentence carefully and choose the correct answer.
Are you done, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, for our assignment,